So this is just a little update video of our Greenwich project we're currently working on. So what we've done so far is removed all of the paint from all of the brickwork on the front of the property, brick cleaned all of the brickwork with a doff machine, and some very heavy soiling, lots of water damage to the brickwork in areas here. As you can see, lots of really heavy soiling, lots of black still on the brick. Unfortunately, the doff machine can only do what it can do. So the customer's got the option now of having a deeper clean on all the brickwork, which I think the customer would like to go for. So started raking out all of the mortar yesterday. So we've done well over the last couple of days, cutting out all of the cement mortar. Real hard cut out this one in areas, solid cement everywhere as usual. Just show you upstairs as well. So in areas the brickwork's come up really well, in other areas just can't get rid of this soiling. So I think the customer's going to go for that deeper clean on here, and then talking about tuck pointing the whole front of this building, which is going to take a very long time, but customer gets what the customer wants. So we're going to do some samples for the customer in the next couple of days, show them all the different colour ribbons, what they could have, etc. And then customer will make a decision in the next few days what they're going to go for. Same at the top elevation as well. A lot of loose brickwork on this parapet. I have to take some of this down and rebuild this in sections. Then it's all got to be decorated. All of this stonework, it's all got to be rubbed back and decorated as well. Customer's going to have the new windows put in, so we'll wait to do any work around the windows, get the new windows in, and we can fill all around the windows so it's all uniformed in our mortar. But so far so good. Customer's really happy with the progress we've made here in the last couple of weeks, and hopefully have some more videos to show you next week once the samples are done and customers decided what they're going for, and then we can get cracking with the pointing itself. So if you would like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Greenwich in southeast London. This is just an update video of our project we've been working on for around about the last 3 weeks. So what we've been doing is removing all of the paint from all of the brickwork on the front of the property. Once all of the paint is removed, we've brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. Cut out and replaced around 120 bricks so far on the front of this property. Repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar. Customer's gone for a flush finish on the bulk of the brickwork, and then a tuck pointing style on all of the archwork. All of the decoration work has got to be done next, so I'm going to have to scrape back a lot of this paint. It's all blistered and completely bubbled away, so it can't be painted directly straight over that. So we've just done a bit of investigation work on the stonework today, and it's in real bad condition, so I'm going to have to do a lot of restoration work to the stonework before we can think about doing any decoration work. Again, areas of deterioration on all of the stonework is going to need all looking at. Some repairs to do on the stonework in areas as well, but lads have been tuck pointing the arches today and they've come up fantastic as always. Really sets off everything well now. Upstairs, same sort of thing. Again, all of the arches beautifully tuck pointed. Customer's going to have all new sash windows put in, so we'll wait for the windows to come in and do all the collar joints all around the windows, and then decorations, all the cornice, all the parapet work as well. But overall, everything's coming out really well. property was suffering from so much damp. Paint had been over the facade for around about 50 years, so you can see how damp in areas the pointing still is. You see it drying out in a few areas now. Lime's doing its job, drawing all the moisture out of the brickwork. And then up on the top elevation, same thing with the stoneworks. All going to need all this flaky paint. It's really badly blistered in areas, so this has all got to come off before we can do any decoration work. So all of this is going to come off, and it's all going to need to be restored and stabilised. Same up on the top, on the parapet, on the balcony. Again, just looking at it here, all the stonework's in real bad condition, so all of that all going to have to be all scraped off, all filled, stabilised, and then decorated. Need chamfered fillet to go on in a few areas. So there's still quite a lot of work to do here, should I say. Loads to be getting on with still, but overall job's coming out well. Customers really happy with how everything's gone, as always. I'm going to leave the lads here now. We're off to another job tomorrow. Going to leave the lads here finishing the last bit of flush pointing and tuck pointing. Then we'll get the decorators in to start the decoration work. We are currently looking for more decorators to come on board, so if you're a decorator yourself or you know any decorators looking for work, exterior work, you've got to have experience with exterior work, filling and making good, get in contact and we'll have a chat to you. But overall, looking forward to getting this one wrapped up in the next, I'd say probably around about 3 to 4 weeks now. There's a lot of decoration work to do here. Got to be doing some new lead work inside the bays there as well, new downpipes and gutters to go on. Customer wants us also to do new front steps as well, so looking at doing new coping stones, new step, tiling all of this area here. Got to do some brickwork over to this side for a new gas box to go on the wall here. So we've got to brick up a section of brickwork up here for a new gas box to go, electric box to go on there. Basements are absolutely saturated, so damp under there. We pointed all of that this morning, still soaking wet at this time of the day. But yeah, so far so good. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.